With your phone out, gotta hit them angles. With your phone out, snapping like you fave, and you showing off.
Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a hair video. It's going to be how I got this slick back ponytail look using bundles. These are Brazilian bundles. I used 16 inches and 18 inches. I got them from my local hair store. But if I find the link to the hair like somewhere online, the brand, I'll link it. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was gonna look a little weird because, you know, my hair is brown and this, you know, is blonde. But I mean, I don't mind the look. It's, you know, I like it because the bundles are ombre as well. So I personally don't mind it. But if you want to see how I got like this easy hairstyle just using bundles, then please keep watching. Also, this tutorial was supposed to be something so different. I was supposed to do something so different. You can probably tell. I was supposed to do like a bang thing. It didn't work, so I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna push it back and just do a normal slick ponytail. But I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna show you how I learned. But yeah, so let's get into this video. Alright, so I started with my Pro Style gel and I'm applying that onto my hair. And now I'm brushing my hair back as I'm applying the gel just to make my hair smoother and for it to be more sleek. So when we tie it, we're going to have a sleek back ponytail. So now that our hair is tied back, I'm taking out the front that I tied up, and then I'm going to be applying this curl activating gel. I only used it because it is a gel, not to activate my curls obviously, but yeah, this was parted off because I was trying to do a bang that didn't turn out well. And now I'm mixing the Pro Style gel to get that part sleeked down. But all in all, this technique actually really helped to get my hair the way it is. So now I'm just brushing my hair so it could be more flat so that I can lay it flat as I want it to be. And I'm mixing the Pro Style gel once again, and I'm just kind of swooping my hair to the side. And then once I get it really flat, I'm going to just wrap it around my ponytail. Now I'm going to take some Got2b glue, it's in the yellow tube, and I'm basically just kind of applying that to the top of my hair, not like throughout the ponytail because I don't want all my hair to be really hard because it's a harsh product. And now we're taking the bundles. So basically all I'm doing, as you can see, is I'm wrapping the bundle around my ponytail, and then once I get to the end, I will take a strand of the hair and I'm gonna wrap it around just to tighten it and make sure that the ponytail is secure. Showed you guys each time I was putting on a bundle because I was trying to get the best angle, and I also really want the ponytail to be thick. So as I mentioned before, you're seeing me wrap the last strand around to tighten the ponytail, and then I'm just going to run my fingers through the hair just to make sure that the hair actually looks nice and doesn't look raggedy and ratchet. So now the ponytail with the bundles is done. So now we're going to go back and kind of work on the sleekness of the ponytail. So I'm taking more Airpro Style gel to just ensure that my hair is secured in place and brushing that down just to get it more sleek. Sometimes when you do ponytails, you can see your scalp, and I did get this tip from Arnell Armand. So basically, you just want to take like a black or like dark brown eyeshadow and kind of fill that in. If it bothers you, I just wanted to see what it was gonna do. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys could learn or follow along. Like I said in the beginning, this tutorial was supposed to be something so different, but all in all, like the same technique that I was going to use for that also worked like for this. So I mean, it's a win-win, I guess. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to comment down below and to share this video and to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.